Hello everyone, I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So here we have one of the place candidate here. So can you share your experience?
Thank you, sir. I'm LIKHITH Kumar V. I'm from Chitradurga. I completed my graduation in SGM Institute of Technology from Chitradurga. I joined in PySpider month of July, and I travel in this journey. I learned some more and more concepts. First time I came to in PySpider, Keshav sir is taken demo class. He told most. He told a very good way to learn how to learn for Python and full stack. So first time Vijay sir is taken for Python class. He motivate very well, and how to talk to with others and how we can express.
Other than that, what subjects you learned here?
I learned here SQL for Murli sir. He teach very well, and Django and web technologies. And now with Django and web technologies ongoing.
So what made you to improve from your academics?
I improved from my communications and speaking to. I'm not good in English, so I came here. So I learned much more English.
What activities you've done here?
I done here boot camp, so it is very helpful me.
Which company? Congratulations.
Thank you.